for you in that. First, salam and namaste to all of you.
Yeah, you could be brave. You could be the reason our life gets saved. Yeah, you could be tough and hard to break, but soft as a feather and heal one's pain. When you understand that the faith don't fade. Life is a rebel and I own that game. When it's black and blue, then it's all.
Yeah, let's sing with it. Let's do that. It just says when you give, you're beautiful. When you give, life is about giving, sharing your gifts to the world. That's what the world keeps doing. Jamal, 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 when you give, it's beautiful. Jamal, Jamal.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much for.